In the Zachary community, we are definitely heavily involved. From the Chamber of Commerce to the YMCA to going to football games, we have to invest in the community that we live in, and that's what we do.
Michael came in just one day with the breeze and has been here. I love having him here. He's part of my board. I snatched him up pretty quick.
I first moved to Zachary because we found out that Zachary had the #1 school district and it was free. Noticed how friendly the customer service was here. The traffic burden was just way less.
I love Zachary because it's a really safe place, of course, but it's super family oriented. You'll see families everywhere, at the park, the dog parks, Walmart. You would think everything in Zachary is a family activity.
Zachary is a really fun town. It's a small and upcoming town. It's been growing for many years now, and I hope to see it continue to grow well.
Michael Stricklin is somebody with an incredible story, and he's coming from a place in Louisiana. Basically, he and his family migrated from, is the word that I use, because he came in with 34 other members of his family.
He literally said, we're gonna go and develop this neighborhood, and our whole entire family left their jobs and moved here, brought their families.
My first thought when somebody comes in to develop something or a part of our little community is, what are they gonna do for the community? How are they gonna grow the community?
Stricklin and Porter pride themselves on family and community. CSRS's mission is to build stronger, smarter communities together, and they've been a great partner in that, and we look forward to doing more work with them in the future.
They've improved everything that they put their hands on. They're taking rundown buildings, improving them. They're taking dirt, building houses on it, creating new amenities for everybody in Zachary. So I think the community welcomes them with open arms.
It's a great place to live now, but we want it greater. There's always room to improve.
He's just totally into the community, just like everybody else. He's developing, making things livable for our community. We want people to enjoy where they live.
Stricklin Porter has become part of the community.
I'm excited to see where he goes, both personally in his walk with the Lord and what he does for the community.
He's trying to build lifelong relationships with the community of Zachary. Church, sports, he's making things happen. And we want all these relationships to follow us through as far as we got.
They're coming in and they're not just barging in, they're actually coming in and they're cooperating with the people of Zachary.
Even though we're growing at a rapid speed, we're still family oriented, and that's something that will never change.
I can see the potential in what Michael's doing in building homes here in Zachary because it's a very undeveloped place right now and it has massive potentials. And so I can see where they're going and I can see it being a huge benefit to the community because what good is grass if there ain't nothing on it?
He's involved at the YMCA. He's one of our board members. He's a big part of the chamber. His kids come to camp here. His wife is involved. So the community is all around. They're the kind of people that we want here. They've invested in more than just a business. They've invested in relationships and churches and things that just make us all around stronger.
One of the reasons we invest in the YMCA is because they keep the community at heart, and especially the kids. From daycare to summer camps, we want to invest into the youth of our community because at the end of the day, they are the future of Zachary. If you want to see more about my story and the company story and follow us through our great builds and our great developments, hit the like button and subscribe.